Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Nigel, also known as a Lake Erie vlogger, and today I'm down at Allanburg at the Welland Canal by the Allenburg bridge, which I'm going to put on the drone up very quickly to show you the bridge before it actually goes up. I don't know how many drone shots I'll get because it is pretty cold. It's currently minus 8 degrees Celsius here, which is 12? Is it 12 or 22? I don't know. 12 degrees Fahrenheit, I think. I could be wrong. Anyway, I've got a great ship for you coming up here, one I've never seen before. Let me pronounce this correctly. Flevogracht. Well, it sounds Dutch. Flevogracht. Anyway, it's on its way to Montreal, just coming through the Welland Canal. So I'm going to spin the camera around and we'll start watching it. And if I can, I'll get the drone up and try and get some drone shots before my drone freezes. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Right, while we await the vessel, let's have a look at the Allenburg Bridge, which is the bridge right in front of us, which was constructed back in 1930, and it carries Highway 20, which takes you all the way down into Niagara Falls. Lundys Lane, to be precise. Anyway, cold winter's day, you can see the ice on the shack, the roof here of the pilot house on the bridge there. Nice icicles, and yeah, the temperature is really cold today. The Allenburg Lift Bridge, also known as Welland Canal Bridge number 11, is a vertical lift bridge. It's also located here in the community of Allenburg, which is part of the city of Thorold. It has a clearance of 36.5 meters when it's raised, which is 119.8 feet. And the bridge was involved in an incident back in August of 2001 when the bulk carrier Windhoek collided with the bridge after the lift span was lowered prematurely. The ship caught fire and was heavily damaged. Anyway, quick spin of the camera, give you a bit of a bird's eye view of what's around. That's looking towards Port Coburn that way. And then that basically, we're now just looking to the west. We'll make it all the way around and we'll end up looking north towards St. Catharines and Lake Ontario. There's a little tour of the area for you. Now let's go and find that ship. This is the vessel Flevogracht, and she's a general cargo ship, and she's registered in the Netherlands, and she was built in China back in 2011. She belongs to the shipping company Spieltoff, which is a well-established shipping company which specializes in dry cargo transportation worldwide and was founded in 1921. The ship measures in at 137 meters long, which is 449 feet and 5 inches, with a beam of 19 meters, which is 62 feet and 3 inches, with her gross tonnage being 8,620. And she is currently on her way to Montreal. Right, there you have it. That was a short and sweet one. I hope you enjoyed it. Making its way to Montreal. Of course, I had to do a bit of voiceover in this video because I couldn't control the drone, keep my fingers warm. It's bitterly cold. The wind chill's like -15 right now, and I'm gonna get frostbite. So until the next video, stay safe. See you all very soon.